Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find sound and vibration. And as you can see right here we've got, let's say, the ringtone section. We can change the sound for the notifications, for the ringtone which is for the incoming calls or the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the ringtone. Just tap on it and here we've got actually 4 different options. Those 3 options are from more, but they are highlighted obviously, and of course you can listen at them how they sound. If you like one of them, let me volume it down a little bit. If you like them, just make sure that it is marked and come back. If not, just tap on more, and thanks to this we will be transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we've got 3 additional settings. We can choose online ringtone, we can choose local ringtone, so this is the ringtone which you've previously downloaded on this device, or you can set, or actually don't set, a ringtone at all. And I'm not really sure if it is the best option because after picking this option your device won't notify you about any incoming call. So let me pick something from the system ringtones, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it, check if you like it and so on. And if you like it, just make sure that it is marked, it is highlighted, and just go back. And as you can see, it is notified here that you've picked, of course in my case, field trip, and after getting back again you can see it also right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.